Oh, shit.
Warning. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, northwestern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Summit County in northeastern
First
Ohio,
activation.
until 1:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Solon, Hudson, Twinsburg, Streetsboro, South Russell, Aurora, Reminderville, and Bainbridge. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 1:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday for the following counties in Ohio: Geauga, Portage, and Summit.